I'm Hallie Schwinnard. First tonight, Governor Bullock expanded his face mask directive to include public and private schools in counties that have at least 4 active cases of COVID-19.
He also implored Montanans to follow public health directives, saying it's the only way to get the virus under control. The governor said as Montana schools attempt to reopen in a few weeks, some are considering whether to require or just strongly encourage people to wear face coverings at the school. He says strongly encouraging isn't enough, so it will be a requirement in hard-hit counties. 27 counties currently have at least 4 active COVID-19 cases. He also announced some new business assistance programs, including ones to help live entertainment venues and businesses near the east entrance of Glacier National Park. And finally, the governor said the only way to get the virus under control now is to follow public health guidelines and directives, and that many Montanans are not doing that.
Take that personal responsibility to carry a mask with you. And mask up when you go to the grocery store, to grab a beer at the brewery, or participate in a gathering, even if it's outdoors. Be mindful of the most vulnerable around you and be extra cautious in how your behavior may impact those more susceptible to severe illness from this virus.
The 175 new cases reported in Montana Wednesday is one of the highest. We saw a big jump in active hospitalizations today, up to 97, and we're at 80 deaths statewide. There are 1,440 active cases.
Tonight, we're learning about a positive COVID test at the Goldstone Assisted Living Facility. We're still trying to get some clarification on a couple things, but here's what we know right now. We're told in June, staff and residents at the facility were tested and all tests came back negative. A month later, July 28th, a resident was hospitalized and tested positive. Immediately, the Goldstone implemented quarantine measures for all staff and residents and scheduled testing for all. Residents and staff will continue to be tested weekly going forward. If you recall, on August 4th, the City County Health Department had identified an outbreak of 6 COVID cases in connection with a long-term care facility in Cascade County, but due to privacy regulations did not release the name or location of that facility. Therefore, we cannot confirm that this is the same place.